So here's how to start your laptop or your PC in safe mode for Windows. First, you want to right click on the Windows Start button, click on Run, and type msconfig, and then press Enter. And then this window should show up. Now we want to go to Boot section, and then check the Safe Boot and set it to Minimal. And then you want to click on Apply and OK. And that should prompt you to restart your PC so it can enter the safe mode. So you want to click on restart. Now once you are in safe mode, you want to go back to that menu again, and to exit out of safe mode you want to basically uncheck safe mode and then click on apply and OK, and that should again prompt you to restart your computer. So another alternative way of doing this is basically when your computer is on the log on screen, you want to hold down shift and keep it held down while you go to the boot button on your log on screen, and then you want to click on restart while the shift is always held down until your computer is restarted. Now once you restart your computer, you should see this screen right here, which is the advanced startup options. Now you want to click on the troubleshoot menu, and then you want to click on advanced options, and then from the advanced options menu you want to choose startup settings. And in the startup settings menu you should see something like this. So you basically need to choose, for example, to put it in safe mode you want to press 4 on your keyboard or F4, and that should restart your system in safe mode. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.